Introduction to Total Quality Management (TQM). About the course. This course aims at introducing Total Quality Management (TQM) at the beginner's level, which we will talk about the history and evolution of TQM and how it can be useful for the organizations. We will discuss various philosophies of TQM and their salient features as propagated by contemporary quality gurus from across the world from time to time, and also the benefits the organizations derive through the implementation of TQM in their respective organizations. The participants will be able to appreciate that the TQM is a corporate culture that not only prevents defects but effectively involve everyone from top management to the shop floor workers to actively participate as a team, and how it acts as the key to maximize company-wide productivity. What you will learn. After doing this course, the participants will learn about basic concepts of TQM and their usefulness in enhancing the productivity and reputation of the business organizations. They will be able to differentiate between the two approaches of quality management, namely the Western approach and the Japanese approach, and will be able to appreciate as to how the Japanese have gained the strategic advantage over their Western counterparts by employing simplistic approach of managing quality in their business organizations. They will get exposed to the methodology that revolutionizes the work culture of the organization as it inculcates a culture shift in the organization. After this course, the participants will be able to understand the basic concepts and objectives of TQM, the strategies involved in its implementation, and will learn the famous Deming's cycle, the plan, do, check, and act PDCA cycle. They will also get exposed to the 7 basic quality tools and also about the 7 advanced quality tools used widely in implementation of TQM in an organization. Course benefit. After completing this course, the participants will be able to appreciate the basic concepts of TQM and requirements of implementation of TQM in an organization. However, in order to implement it in an organization, the participants will have to do the advanced level courses in TQM. Eligibility criteria. The essential educational requirements for the participants of this course will be 1. An MBA or a graduate engineer, or 2. A diploma holder with at least 3 years experience in manufacturing or service organization, or 3. An ITI certificate holder with at least 5 years of experience at the shop floor of a manufacturing organization, or 4. An industrial worker with at least 10 years of experience at the shop floor of a manufacturing organization.
The historical evolution of total quality management has taken place in 4 stages. They can be categorized as follows. Number 1, quality inspection stage. Number 2, quality control stage. Number 3, quality assurance stage. And lastly, number 4, total quality management stage. Sector-specific versions of the ISO 9000 series of quality management standards were developed for such industries as automotive, QS 9000, aerospace, AS 9000, and telecommunication, TL 9000 and TS 16949, and for environment management, ISO 14000.
According to Juran, quality can be measured through the satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the customers. He emphasized the necessity of ongoing quality improvement through the succession of small improvements. He suggested 10 steps of quality improvement.
In the run-up to the action plan, management must answer the following questions. Number 1, where are we now? The present situation. Number two, where do we want to be? The vision of the future. Number three, how do we get there? Action plans to reach there. To do this requires a knowledge of a number of management methods that have to be especially developed within the field of quality. In the year 2000, the ISO 9000 series of quality management standards was revised to increase emphasis on customer satisfaction. Beginning in the year 1995, the Malcolm Baldrige Award, Digital Quality Award in the US, added a business results criterion to its measures of applicant success.
Quality journey starts from medieval Europe, where craftsmen began organizing into unions called guilds in the late 13th century. In Middle Ages, many of guilds of craftsmen were established to guarantee the quality of workmanship.
In the slide shown here, we have Durand's quality trilogy. The three phases of planning, control and improvement and the cost trends associated with poor quality are shown in this diagram. The objective of the control phase are to eliminate the causes associated with the sporadic spikes and to bring the process output within the zone of quality control. The next phase of the trilogy process is quality improvement, which deals with the continuous improvement of the product and process. Benchmarking can be defined as a continuous process, the purpose of which is to measure services, products and procedures against the toughest competitors or leading producers in a given market. The idea being to procure the information necessary for the firm to become the best of the best.
Quality vaccine. Crosby's quality vaccine consists of three ingredients: A. Determination, B. Education, and C. Implementation. For absolutes, Crosby's four absolutes are: 1. Definition of quality, conformance to requirements; 2. Quality system, prevention; 3. Quality standard, zero defects; and 4. Measurement of quality, price of non-conformance.
This report typically covers specific improvements, goals and achievements, explanation of achievements and or shortfalls, projects undertaken, feedback data, state of health of cross-functional teams, and customer satisfaction. In the 21st century, when the concept of global economy came into existence, the concept of quality also changed due to opening of a competition at the global level.
The first seeds of quality management were planted as the principles of scientific management swept through US industry during 1920s.
Crosby is also known for his quality vaccine, his 4 absolutes, his 14 steps of quality improvement.